It's so nice. Like one of my twins, I took him to work with me, and he was like, "Oh, I remember coming here." He was like, "Mummy, do you remember the song?" And I was like, "I sing the song, darling." And he was like, "I love the Little Duck song. Do you remember it?" And I was like, "Of course I remember it." I first heard of Puddle Ducks when I was in the doctor's surgery with my eldest, and there was a lovely poster up on the side, and me and my friend had a baby at the same time, so we went together, signed up, went for a free trial, and then we carried on from there. It was just the most amazing experience. We had a beautiful time together. Our babies bonded together, me and her bonded together. I most enjoyed from our Puddle Ducks lessons the one-to-one time that I got with my children. That you just don't get that anywhere else. You've got no phone, like no distractions, no nothing like that. It's just time that you can spend like you and your child. Not only are you creating core memories for them, but they're also learning a fundamental life skill too. I think it's just the most amazing program. And I still love it to this day, like 10 years down the line. I decided I wanted to be a Puddle Ducks teacher when I was a bit lost in motherhood, I would say. So I decided to scroll through, as you do, like looking for jobs, and then this one popped up. I thought, oh my God, I've got no experience whatsoever. They're gonna say no. The franchisee owner, she rang me the next day and she was like, "No, you sound amazing, absolutely everything we want. We can teach you everything that you'll need to know. We'll pop you on all your courses," and that was it. I was straight in from then, taking my splash, I suppose. The training process was so simple. My franchisee owner, she talked me through everything that I needed to know. I spent time shadowing someone in the pool, so I learned one-to-one handling, gained so much experience learning from another teacher, until then I went and then started teaching on my own after that. I felt teaching my first class, I think the most nervous I've ever felt in my life. But the parents and the children, you just get fully encased in them when you're teaching. You have no idea what else is going on around you, and you're so in the moment while you're teaching those children. And the parents that just look at you, and the rapport that you get with them, it just puts you all at ease. I've grown so much personally and educationally, learning about the children, whether it's physical development, social development, emotionally. In myself, I've learned so much, and from the children, I've learned so much too. I think that's one of the best things about the job, is that it gives you so much. There's never a dull day, never a dull time. Who gets to play with parents and children, nurture their experience, bond, grow together? What other job gives you that? And if you have the opportunity to do it, I would 1,000,000% say, go and do it. It changed my life.